दो आदमी अंदर जाएंगे, जब न्यू टेबल जाएंगे तो दो आदमी फिर अंदर जाएंगे।
अरे मुश्किल नहीं, जो भी होगा हम जाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसा गप कर रहा हूँ कि इसके साथ अगर अंदर गए तो ये हालात ख़राब करें।
तुम दोनों अगर अंदर हो तो मैं ज़रा आराम से रहूँगा।
3 PC एक्टिवेट हो गए, 3 PC।
ओके जी।
फर्दर एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी में हमने क्या करना है? ये क्या येलो वार्निंग क्यों है? वो येलो
ये नॉर्मल है, नॉर्मल।
फिर 10 पे क्यों नहीं है? 10 पे क्यों नहीं?
वार्निंग इसलिए दे रहा है कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, बट नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम है। इट्स नॉट समथिंग।
IP का होगा, उसकी IP आई थिंक चेंज है।
कैन यू जस्ट ओपन बैक?
one minute।
Go back and check the issue. What is the issue there?
IP ठीक थे, सही है।
आज तेरा शो बोला था तो इसका मसला है। Click on that here. Alerts. Click on alerts. No, alerts on the top. Yes. To PC. What's the Windows caption text keyboard error field? So bad image. Open. Review. Windows 7 error editing executable text absorb file copy to client. Okay. Select all these done. No. Open first. Okay. Select on these two. Okay. And here close alert. Then خلاص بقى.
अच्छा,
وجه that was AD سرا دغه کې AD سرا.
AD سرا इंडिया सेटिंग।
Yes.
जर्नल।
Yes. Active directory. Come down. Yes. Select the down one. Down. Yes. Save. Yes. Cool. और दूसरा AD कंटेनर सब हो गया।
दगा तो।
Yes. AD container के zip.local that computers all of them here.
Oh, the department ना।
लाड़ो करना।
कदे दिन लाड़ो।
Here will have all go.
बोले मुंगा डिपार्टमेंट ना डाउ दे खाता सजरवाती।
डिपार्टमेंट के वर्क ग्रुप के रहती है।
का वो मुंगा एक्टिव डायरेक्टरी ता वाड़ा वाला वो मुंगा भी पॉलिसी आने का पहले का बोले शो का संगे।
Yes. By group wise.
नोर उस दा यूजर प्रोफाइल से शेदी। यूजर प्रोफाइल में बोले जोड़ो।
यूजर प्रोफाइल लगा दे पॉलिसी
संगे पॉलिसी।
संगे चे ग्रुप पॉलिसी नहीं पाओगे पॉलिसी मैनेजमेंट के
दलते मुंगा ऐसे दे पर है जोड़ा वो जे कुम नॉर्मल यूजर भी मुंगा का सही है।
फॉर एग्जांपल जता दिस इक्वल्स प्रोमा डिपार्टमेंट का सारा लेबल न्यू डिपार्टमेंट का पुली का ग्रेड 5 एंटर राहो दा दखवाड़ा अवल जनरल शो वापस होगा सही जना। ओके लाड़ा ओके zip.local computers. I need to go there. I need you to go there.
لا server.
ده غادي نمر ده كم ساعة ده وده. Okay. Go back. Okay.
नहीं तो
No tension. No operations. User cannot know the other two. You don't know. Okay, fine. No problem. Hello, hello.
So good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for attending this orientation about our company profile and welcome to Creative Technology Solutions. My name is Manuel Rodrigo, and Manuel Christopher.
Data profile. For example, USB.
And today I'm going to present to you on what our company is all about. So, who are we?
Everything is making enabled.
Okay, so Creative Technology Solutions aims to implement technology in schools because
The
the company believes that modern technology needs is needed by the education sector for them to utilize their teaching platforms very well with the students. And by implementing this technology, we can catch up with the modern education that we have today, especially the K-12 education.
What technologies are you trying to implement?
We are trying to implement the e-learning, and we also have a modern
USB plug
other
profile delta था जोड़
applications
पड़े
that
ऊपर
use
server
like
पे
collaborative tools, empowerment technologies, and also some devices and equipment that will help us in delivering this, like the Wise Floor, for example. Wise Floor is actually a projector that projects the games and other activities in the floor, and the students will interact with their body movements that will enhance their bodily kinesthetic as a bodily kinesthetic workers.
That captures the movement.
Yes, correct. And the projector is rather throwing out some images on the floor, and it is interactivity,
So
and
recorder
it
पे
can be touched actually. And that is one of the technologies that
Projector is throwing out the image.
yes.
And how does it work?
There is a specific system in the application, whereas
So ये policy
it's a special software
जिस तरह होमों का
that
system
interacts with the body movements of the students, and
That's actually
usually it is thrown out by by the projector. And I believe that there is also a platform
the
there,
user name का
a special platform that
Is that a special topic?
sorry,
Special topic for you?
something like that.
per user
So when you go with the technologies, you will go with this hardware,
device
projector and carpet
device.
How much is it?
device
Wise
computer
Floor.
Yeah. And the cost and all that.
devices and devices
Actually, for
computer
the Wise Floor, it is
But here it says in the Navy sector K-12, do you
server
support pre-kindergarten?
yes, we support it.
Or why does it say K-12? Kindergarten.
Because the K there is kindergarten until the grade 12.
Exactly. What about pre-kindergarten?
Pre-kindergarten. For that, we also support them. And especially that the technology like the Wise Floor is very applicable to them, because learners in the early education usually are very bodily kinesthetic and visual. So the Wise Floor will be very much appreciated by those kind of students.
So you're focusing on particular grade of students or previous?
We are particularly supporting every grade level from pre-kinder up to the grade 12 set.
anything like keyboard user, keyboard, the hardware user, anything. Hardware user. Okay. Copy from
Alright,
what?
so these are our vision and mission.
Again, copy key. Copy key. Negative one. New folder name of all.
So here's a story about our company. So CTK, or Creative Technology Solutions, got established in 2013. And it is started in the Middle East
information session. This information session 64 bit gateway serial number sta pakar ko ayus pakar anything what you want
this is a sway
now
Microsoft
data sets ne click kar tool
Is it one of the solutions you implement with the school?
Information
yes,
attached.
it is actually one of the most flexible presentation application because it has different ways on how you present the what you want to discuss.
Is it better than PowerPoint?
I cannot say that it's better than PowerPoint because each application, I believe that every application has its own strengths. So for this discussion proper, I chose Microsoft Sway because it's more on the visual and
What does the play button do?
the play button. It will actually play the presentation.
So you had it in edit mode?
Yes, I had it in edit mode so that I can see
No,
the text
वो
actually.
user वो दे
But
सर्वर
actually, I can
installation वो IP set का वो
But do you have any specific reason to use this particular application for this?
dashboard के
I did not have.
वो classroom वाला लग मसले
Actually, do you have any specific reason to use this application?
सब OYO के
Of
बेगा
course, he's telling you it's
हाँ,
better
yeah,
than- it can be like PowerPoint. But there are differences.
If you don't have internet, what else?
If you don't use PowerPoint,
Then
if you don't, you use them, it's fine. But, I heard about another application called, I forgot the name. It can be offline and online, but it's not Microsoft.
okay.
Yeah. It's better than this.
And because Microsoft Sway promotes more on the visual. Because on presentation, I believe that we don't need much lengthy text on presentation. And a presentation needs to be more on the visual because if you put a lot of text in the presentation, the audience might focus on the text or on how you will speak. So I use more on visual because I believe that it will be much more appreciated while you speak and you have a visual aid. Okay, so going back, so our company was established in 2013, and okay, so out the need to provide a unique and compelling IT solution to the education sector. So it's in the Middle East, and
Even in Jordan?
yes, and we also have in Saudi Arabia.
There's a branch in Jordan.
In Jordan, as I reviewed the company, we don't have a branch in Jordan, but it's also part of the Middle East.
What about Lebanon?
Lebanon, according to my research, I haven't seen a branch in Lebanon.
What about you? You have in UAE?
Yes, we have in UAE.
What about Abu Dhabi?
In Abu Dhabi, I think we only have here in, we have in Abu Dhabi, yes. Yes, we have in Abu Dhabi. That is according to my research on the company. Okay, so there. So we have here the CTS focusing on the Middle East, and I believe that it will expand as we progress in our industry. Okay, so there's no two schools are alike, and we in CTS we like to approach the problems of each school because I believe that we have each school.
Can you, in short, tell us what does CDS do?
Oh, so CTS, what CTS do?
In
is-
short, forget about the slides. What does it do in general?
CTS implements modern technologies and applications that are appropriate in each school's unique needs.
So they tailor technology to schools based on their requirements.
Yes, based on their requirements. So there are no two schools that are alike solutions. Right.
Only technical solutions or technological solutions? Do you have any solutions for any infrastructure or something like that? Companies, schools infrastructure?
For infrastructure, we don't support that. What we only support is the implementation of technology, and also we have services like technical support and professional development. And specifically for products, we provide tablets, e-learning, and
iPad?
tablets.
Yeah, iPad.
iPad could be included, but we provide more on Intel tablets. Ah, thank you very much.
That makes it 10 minutes. So, the guys here are trainers, actually. So I asked them to be part of the audit. They were not training to assess our skills and that. So I will be contacting you. So I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for your time for today.
Thank you very much.
You will be contacting you very soon.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Don't worry, my shot is not working.
Ah, thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.